Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do an origami butterfly. This is what we'd need. We can use some coloured paper or pattern paper, which is origami. And we can use some little decoration stickers. So we can decorate it. So first, we have to fold this corner to the top corner. And then we do the same with the other corners. So the other corner to the top corner. Now we turn it around so you can see a square and make it into a half. And then do the same again. So make a half. Okay. Now, lots of people find tricky that, so first we have to get these two corners, put them together, then squish these two bits together, and then you'll make a triangle. So we put these two bits together, and then squash it to make a triangle. There. Now we have to, so you see we have two bits of these, and we can make this little bit go a bit down, but not directly to the line, and do the same with the other one. Now you can see a bit of the butterfly, but to make it a bit more 3D, we turn it over and then get the bottom bits all over and try and make it go up to the top of the butterfly. And then put the little triangle, this little triangle, fold it down so it can hold the butterfly. And there we got it, a spotty butterfly. Now if you want, you can decorate it with these little, with any stickers you want. So I'm going to decorate. And then I got my butterfly all decorated. Now I hope you like my channel and you can subscribe and have a nice day. Bye.